Now in this theorem we have to prove that if a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base and between same parallels, then area of triangle is half the area of parallelogram. I have already drawn this figure. Let me name it. This is a parallelogram A, B, C, D, and let this be some other point E on the side AD. So BEC triangle BEC and parallelogram ABCD are on the same base BC. Now we have to prove that area of triangle, this we have to prove that area of triangle EBC is equal to half the area of parallelogram ABCD. This we have to prove. Now let this EM be perpendicular from E to the side BC. We know that area of triangle is half base into altitude. So area of triangle BEC will be half base, in this case is BC, and corresponding altitude from opposite vertex is EM. EM here is perpendicular to the side BC. Now EM. Now so let me draw one perpendicular from D on the side BC of the parallelogram produced, say till ABCDEF. So DF is perpendicular on BC produced. So we know that this can be written as half of BC multiplied by, in place of EM we can write DF, because we know that perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is always equal. Therefore EM is equal to DF. Now this, what is this? BC, product of BC and DF. BC and DF is nothing but area of parallelogram. We know area of parallelogram is product of base and corresponding altitude. So this is area of parallelogram ABCD. So this proves our result that area of triangle BEC is equal to half the area of parallelogram ABCD. Both are on the same base BC and between same parallel lines AD and BF.